Well, now, chicken, you like fried chicken or barbecue chicken? Won't you send it down the line? Well, everybody's talking about chicken. Yes, chicken's a real popular word, but you can call it what you want, get it into a pot, man. You know, a chicken ain't nothing but a bird. Well, some people call it a fowl. Yes, that's a story that I've heard. But you can call it what you wish, let it fall out on a dish. You know, a chicken ain't nothing but a bird. Well, you can roast it, boil it or broil it, cook it in a pan or a pot. You can serve it with tomatoes or French fried potatoes. The chicken is still what you got. Well, it was a dish for old Caesar and also King Henry III. But Columbus was smart when he sailed away saying, chicken ain't nothing but a bird. Yes, you can roast it, boil it or broil it, cook it in a pan or a pot. You can serve it with tomatoes or French fried potatoes. The chicken is still what you got. It was a dish for old Caesar and also King Nebuchadnezzar III. But Colonel Sanders knows the score. He told me so yesterday. He said, chicken ain't nothing but a bird. Yes, chicken. You like fried chicken? Barbecue chicken. Won't you send it down the line? Thank you. This was originally a religious song that I play instrumentally. I learned it off an old disc on which it was sung by Doc Watson. And I try to get the same feeling into my rendition, even though I just do it instrumentally. It's a piece called Hick's Farewell.